Hi, I'm Celestial Cindy from CelestialCindy.com, and this is my sweet 5-month-old little baby, Philip. Philip, say hi. Are you gonna say hi? Philip has been hanging out with Daddy today, so he missed Mommy. I love that sweet one. That's a beautiful one. He's so cute. That's a sweet one. So precious. That's a good one. Did you want to talk? Did you want to say hi? I think we have the same little face. Mommy loves him. You got your little lightning bolt shirt on. That's a beautiful one. Did you want to talk? So cute. Do you love Mommy? That's a cute one. Where's your little toys? Did you want some new toys? What about you say, Mama? Do you want to talk and say, Mama? Let's scoot you up. You got a hold of Mommy's hand. That's a sweet one. Look at him. Let's scoot you up. Can you say, Mama? You got your cute little shirt on. What was that? Ah. Are you gonna smile, Philip? Can you say, Mama? Well, if Mommy dances around and goes, ah, Big Boo, Big Boo. I love him. Oh, he's smiling. Look at that sweet little smile. Big Boo, Big Boo. Are you laughing? Look at that sweet one. Mommy loves the sweet one. Mommy loves the sweet one. What if we do the ABCs? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Yes. Are you drooling? I think you did a little drool. Can you say, Mama? Say, Mama. What about Dada? Hi. Oh, that's a big sweet one. Can you say, Dada? What about Dada? Dada. Say, Mama. Mama. You're so cute. What if I tickle? What if I tickle and I say, tickle, 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 tickle? That's my sweet one. Did you want to bounce around? Did you want to show him how you bounce? Yes. Let's show him how you bounce around. He just now woke up from a nap. You were taking a little nap. Okay, are you gonna bounce, Philip? Yeah, he likes to bounce. Oh, oh. Go. That's a heavy one. That is a heavy, heavy little one. What's he doing? I love you. Okay, bounce around. Go zoom, zoom, zoom. Do you like it? Someone's smiling. Okay, bounce. Go. Ooh, ooh. That's a heavy one. It's a big strong one. You guys stand up? Okay, stand up, Philip. Oh, so sweet. Mommy loves the sweet one. Okay, we gotta scoot close. What else can you do? Shall we see if you can sit up, sweet one? Oh, that's a precious little buddy. Hey, are you bouncing around? Are you trying to bounce around? Hey, sweet one, look at mommy. Are you gonna look at mommy? Did you want to try to sit up, sweet one? What about tummy time? Maybe Philip can crawl now. Let's do the tummy time. And we're going to see if Philip can crawl. Alright, let's do the tummy time. Okay, it's time for tummy time. We're going to scooch back and we're going to do the tummy time. Okay, let's see if you can crawl, sweet one. Good one. Look at that sweet one. Come on, sweet one. Come on, crawl to mommy. Oh, there's that smile. Look at that little smile. Philip, look at mommy. Oh, he's smiling. That's a happy one. Look at that happy one. I think it's a happy one. You gonna crawl tonight, Philip? Are you gonna crawl? Look at that one. He smiled. I love that one. He's smiling. Come on. Come on, are you gonna crawl? Look at that one. Come on, come on. Crawl to mommy. Come on. Good one. Come on. You can do it, sweet one. You can do it, sweet one. He can't crawl yet, unless he crawls on this video, and then I will be amazed. Come on. Crawl to mommy. Are you gonna roll? I think you're trying to roll. Come on. Come on, sweet one. Good one. Are you gonna crawl to mommy? Come on. That's my one. Come on. Can you come to mommy? Crawl to mommy. What if we try sitting up? Can you sit up, sweet one? Here. Let's try to see if Philip can sit up. Alright, we're gonna sit you right here, sweet one. And here, you see if you can sit up, buddy. Hold your little feet. You gonna hold the little feet, buddy? Good one. I got my hands in case he's teeter-totters. He's doing really good. I'm impressed. Look at that shirt falling down. We need to pull it up. We need to pull that little shirt up. Oh no, he almost fell. That's okay. Oh wow, he's doing really good. You're doing so good, sweet one. Good one. Look, Philip. Look at you and mommy. You're doing so good. Look, Philip. Look over there. Oh, Philip, look. It's you and mommy, sweet one. Yeah, I think he's taken quite a few naps today. It looks like he can. It looks like you can sit down, sweetheart. Look. He teeters a little bit though. He's doing a good job. You're doing so good, sweetheart. You're saying up, yay! Come on. Come on. That's a beautiful one. He's smiling. Can you sit up like this? Philip, can you wave? Say hi. Philip. Philip, look over there. Philip. Look, there's you and Mommy. Philip, look, it's you and Mommy. Can you say, you can do this, one. That's a good one. Okay, you can crawl. Come on, are you playing peekaboo? Are you playing peekaboo? What's you doing? Look, Philip, you can do this if you want. Philip, look. Look over there, look, right there. Who is that? Who is that, Philip? Philip, you can do this if you want. Hey. Are you gonna smile? That's my one. Come on! Look, Philip. Look over there. Who is that? Who is that right there? Come on! Are you gonna smile? Are you gonna smile? There's that little smile. What you doing? Give on. Give on. I'm gonna kiss him. I think he's done with tummy time.